Hi, good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. I'm in North Wales. This video is sort of like off the cuff. I wasn't meant to be doing this video. I'm in Llandudno. I was driving through on the motorway and I thought, you know what, I'll call down to the coast, down to the prom at Llandudno and have a little walk onto the pier. Unfortunately, I've only been on the pier about, I'd say 2 minutes, and I've heard Thorn in Your Side by the Eurythmics, Needle in a Haystack by the Velvets, and now Diana Ross is playing in the background. So I'll show you some of the pier, but I'm going to have to put my own music over any of the video because of copyright purposes. Apologies for this, but I'll show you some of the sights and scenes, but it doesn't matter, wherever I go there is copyright music being played. So here's some of the views around Llandudno. Well, it looks like the music is only going halfway up the pier, so I've noticed the lampposts that the speakers were all on blaring the music out. None of these lampposts up this end have got any speakers on, so I'll be able to walk up and have a little look at the pier. Hopefully there won't be any more music on. I'll turn you around so you can see where I'm walking. So I'm on the pier here in Llandudno.
People and
I'm still making my way along the pier. I've just been sort of called over by some guy sitting with his wife, wanting to know what this is that I'm holding in my hand. Well, I'm holding a tripod, obviously, but the camera that's on the tripod, he was curious of what the camera was. And a lot of people think, when I've got it in my hand, people think it's a vape, because it's that small. People actually think it's a vape for smoking, but it's not. It's the DJI Osmo. Well, it's actually the DJI Osmo 2. The link is down below the video, by the way. If you're interested in what camera it is, I've got a link down below on the video. You just click on that and that'll take you through to a site that sells the Osmo 2 and other cameras that I use during the video. But several people have asked me which camera I use. I use several, but this is the one I use most of the time. But I'm going to have to come back off onto background music because we're coming back up to speakers again and it's blaring out again. Right in the distance just there you can see, it looks like some sort of castle type of, Cinderella castle type of thing with the turrets, but that is Llandudno's Grand Hotel, and that's on my bucket list to do for the video. It's I'm not saying much about it other than the fact that it's part of the Britannia group, so I look forward to doing that in the near future. To be fair, talking about that hotel, has anyone stayed at the Grand Hotel here in Llandudno? If you have, please put your comments down. I'd love to see what the comments are like. I've looked on TripAdvisor. It's not very well rated, to be honest with you, but if you have stayed at the Grand Hotel here in Llandudno, please put some comments down below. I'd love to hear what the hotel is like. I will try and put it, it's on my bucket list, I will try and fit it in. I just haven't got the time being here today. So there you go. I'm looking now from the pier over at the promenade here in Llandudno. Well, unfortunately, as I said, I'm only here for a quick visit. I've just took a little walk along the prom. I was going to go on the big wheel there on the prom, but apparently it's out of order at the moment, so I can't do that. And then I thought while I was on the beach I'd throw up the drone quickly, but I checked for that as well, and it's over 30-mile-an-hour winds at the present moment, and the size of the drone that I've got, mine's only a very tiny drone, and it's showing up strong winds on the drone, so I can't even fly the drone. So it was a quick visit. I've showed you the pier, I've showed you some of the promenade here at Llandudno. So I'm going to bring this video to a close. I will be coming back again. As I said, I want to do the Grand Hotel, it's on my bucket list. But there you go, as you can see, the big wheel right behind me, you can see in the distance behind me, it's not working. At the moment it's not working anyhow. So I'm going to bring this video to a close. From what you can see, what I showed you, it's a beautiful seaside resort. Loads of shops, but I haven't had a chance to take you down the main shopping street. So I'm going to bring this to a close, and for some reason there seems to be music, copyright music being played everywhere, even on the promenade. If I go that way, I can hear music being blared out up that way, and if I go out on the pier that way, they seem to be playing a full Motown album, so I can't play that. I'm going to have to leave you with this one because I've got to move on. As I said, I was just going to spend a quick hour here. So thanks for watching. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, that's the main thing. Hit that subscribe button, and of course hit the notification bell, otherwise you won't know when my next video is on. Please leave a comment as well. Have you been to Llandudno? Do you like it? I will be coming back, definitely coming back. I'm not sure when It's September at the present moment, so I'm not 100% certain if I can make it back this year, but I will definitely be coming back to Llandudno because I do want to do the Grand Hotel. So that's it for me. I'm going to say goodbye and move on. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.